Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm doing a really quick unboxing and review of these electric pruning shears that I got off Amazon. Got a really good deal on this. These things are supposed to be super great because they have a 1.2 inch shearing space where you're able to cut that thickness of it. It's really great around the house when we're trimming up our bushes, want to grab a pair. So let's go ahead and get a box, see everything we've got in here. Alrighty guys, I've got everything in box. This is what it looks like. Now I will say this does not come with a battery. You're going to need a DeWalt battery. I've got one of my DeWalt batteries here. It is specifically made for that, but you will just make sure you realize these do not come with a battery. Make sure you've got your own battery or, using it from, like in my case, from my drill. But just want to kind of show you what it looks like here. So right now it's in the closed position because it's not been started yet. On the bottom there, you get to focus, you've got your power button. We've got a screen here as well, and I believe that will tell you how many times it's cut, and I think it also tells the battery percentage, but that is the actual device itself. It also includes an extra blade, which is really handy. Let me just show you the case itself. So the case even has the tools that you need in order to be able to change it out. So you've got this tool here, which pops in place, and you've also got a little Allen wrench as well that will also assist with changing the blade out, I'm sure. And that just clicks in place just like this if I don't have the hardest time in the world doing that. You've also got a little piece here that you can use to sharpen it. I'm not going to take that out, but you've got a little stone there to sharpen it. And then you've got a little bottle here you can fill with oil in order to make sure everything is lubricated. And then the actual device itself sits in there just like that. And it even has spaces here where you can put your batteries. So like you can keep two batteries here if you wanted to, but in this case, I just want to make sure that y'all can see that y'all can use this with it and be able to have your batteries in there. So let's go ahead and get it turned on here. So you're just gonna slot this just like that, and we should be able to turn it on with the power button there. All right, guys, well, there's the little screen there. It's gonna tell you your battery percentage and also tells you how many times you've cut. So it has like a counter cut there. But after we've got everything plugged up, we should be able to just press it once. Lights up, and now we are good to go. Just pressing this trigger. So the good thing about it is, say you were to get your finger stuck in here, not saying that you would, but if you did and you would press this, as soon as you let go of the trigger, it immediately goes back to open. So it's got a safety feature in there, so you're not going to snip your finger and it like keep clamping down on it. But basically pressing this will close it, and that's got quite a bit of torque on it. Our bushes haven't quite grown yet, but I'm ready to get this tested out and see how great it is. Very, very impressed with it so far. It even tells me my battery percentage, which I think is really, really cool. Even my actual DeWalt drill does not even tell me my battery percentage on this thing, which is really nice that has that feature. But if you guys are looking for a great, high-quality electric pruning shears, especially ones that are brushless, this is going to last a really long time. I highly recommend you guys checking this one out. It's built to last, very high quality. I really like that it's built with be able to use my own DeWalt batteries, so it's kind of not having to have a ton of different batteries. You can use a single one, which is really, really nice. So if you guys are looking for it, I would highly recommend you guys checking this one out.